FastDraw supports a powerful concept called building blocks. Building blocks are parts of diagrams that you find yourself drawing over and over again. Rather than having to create them from scratch each time you need one, you can use building blocks that can be reused to make drawing these pieces easy, simple, accurate. Building blocks are like play diagrams, except they're stored in a special area of your library. Click on the Building Blocks tab to see the building blocks you have defined. For example, here are two commonly used formations and a drill setup that we find ourselves using often. To create a new building block, make sure you're in the Building Blocks section of your library and then use the New Play button. This is almost the identical process you use to creating a normal diagram, except in this case, we're creating a building block. Let's create a building block called 4-cone setup. This will be useful, for example, if we find ourselves doing a lot of drills I always start with a layout like this. Now that we have this building block, let's see how we can use it. Let's suppose we want to draw a simple 4-cone passing drill. As always, we start with the New Play button. And we give ourselves a name. We define the working area and hit OK. Now, instead of manually configuring the drill from scratch, let's take advantage of the building block we just created to see the diagram for us. Notice that the building blocks are categorized in exactly the same manner that they're organized in the building blocks section of your Play library. Once I've added my building block, it's very easy for me to round out the rest of the diagram. You can see how building blocks, when used creatively, can both save you a lot of time and lead to more accurate, consistent drawings.